Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant error code VAN185. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, go down to your PC's search bar and type Windows Update. Open the Windows Update settings, and if you see any updates available, click on Update and let your PC fully update. Once the update process is complete, move on to the next step. Now, again go to the search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. Inside Device Manager, look for Display Adapters and click on it. You'll see your display graphics listed there. Right-click on your display graphics and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. After the update finishes, close the window and repeat the same process for your second graphics driver if you have one. After completing that, close everything and open your NVIDIA app. Once it opens, click on driver from the left side options. If you see any updates available for your driver, click on download and then update the driver completely. Once all the driver updates are done, open your Riot client application and log in to your account. After logging in, click on your profile icon, then go to settings. From there, select Valorant and scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see an option called repair. Click on it, and if there are any corrupted or damaged files in your game, they will be repaired automatically. After the repair process is finished, close the Riot client. If you followed all the on-screen instructions correctly, the Valorant error code VAN185 should now be fixed, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant error code VAN185. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.